Hello, this is Dapplet's project. Today we will introduce Tweery, a community-owned Twitter. We all know Twitter. People write and read posts from each other, set likes and hashtags. These people should be the main actors in this social network because they are the only content creators and consumers. But the reality is different. The most powerful player here is Twitter itself, although its role should only be technical. Although social platforms should only provide a technical service, usually they end up misusing their power to shape and manipulate communication inside the community. The community then experiences this as censoring tweets and canceling accounts. It's important to mention that the way in which decentralization is applied now does not help. It makes the owner even more powerful by enhancing his ability to perform censorship. This is because even though the infrastructure becomes decentralized, the owner's role remains its central power. But don't worry, we know the solution. For the hackathon, we have targeted Twitter, capturing tweets seen by the community, recovering them if necessary, and creating new tweets out of Twitter. Here we can see that the tweet was deleted. Let's reload the website and wait for the Dapplet to load. We can now see that the tweet has been recovered. But this is about much more than just saving tweets. The idea behind the Dapplet and this transformation is much bigger. It's about to change the whole paradigm of the current web as we know it. Usual Twitter operations like reply, retweet, or like are the same, but they continue to work even after these operations are disabled by Twitter. In case any service disruption, canceling, or censorship occurs on Twitter, the Dapplet instantly redirects workflows to the community-owned backend, based on IPFS. Decentralization takes place in the client's browser and is able to escape centralized control. Imagine Twitter disables a retweet button for some user for any reason. Dapplet's technology lets you override the disabled button and forward the processing to another service provider. It looks like Twitter, it feels like Twitter, it operates like Twitter, but it's more than Twitter, because it's free and community-owned. Because the Dapplet's platform is permissionless and anonymous, no one can prevent developers from recreating disabled functionality. The community becomes self-sovereign. Nothing of the paradigm you have seen is Twitter-specific. The UX decentralization layer can be applied on top of almost any website. As a result of this forced decentralization, the power of the website owner gets restricted to the services he provides. It becomes impossible for a centralized owner to take the community hostage and forcibly extract profits. Because in case of any pressure or service disruptions, any community member can redirect the troubling workflow to another service provider. The bigger the community, the more reasons for its self-sovereignty. We envision a world where communities become self-sovereign, even if they were created by a central actor, like children who become independent of their parents when they grow up. We at Project Applets provide you with all the necessary tools for this. Let's build an augmented web of self-sovereign communities together.